The course, International Politics of the Korean Peninsula, is going to examine a wide range of important issues and controversies, not just limited to South Korea's domestic politics and society, or its international relation, but also international politics surrounding the area, the Korean Peninsula. The class is a combination of lecture and lively discussions. Students are always welcome to ask questions and make comments. Silence is not golden in this class. The sample questions that the course is going to examine during the session include why Koreans like to say we, us, our. Why do South Korea and Japan do not get along well, despite the fact that they are security partners of the United States and they share a lot of a common interest, security and economic in the region? Why is Korean politics so dynamic? Does it suggest a maturity of South Korea's democracy or their lack of? We are going to examine those questions. Is Japan's colonial occupation the main cause of South Korea's subsequent industrialization? So South Koreans owe a lot to the Japanese, and South Koreans owe to send thank you notes to the Japanese rather than criticizing them for their failure to give a genuine apology for the past atrocities. Will North Korea ever abandon its nuclear missiles? What did Trump and Kim talk about in Hanoi when they met for the second summit meeting in February 2019? Will the same-sex marriage be legalized in Korea as a litmus test of South Korea's globalization? These are just the sample questions around which we are going to have classes. I'll just give you some sample questions. Like the mythology of Tangun. How was the first Korean born? Are South Koreans all the descendants of tiger or she-bear? Koreans like to regard the former president of the World Bank and the Dartmouth College, Mr. Yong Kim, as a proud South Korean, but they feel very uncomfortable to admit that the killer of the 27 innocent lives in the Virginia Tech shooting incident, Mr. Jo Seung-hee, a Korean American. Some of you will have come to Seoul and take this course in the classroom, and your family members and friends may be seriously concerned about your safety with the potential military threats of North Korea, including potential missile attacks. Do we really have to worry about North Korea actually using those weapons and North Korea's provocations? I'll give you some answers to the questions, and so that you can send specific and reliable pieces of information to your parents and friends who care about you. Mr. Jim Rogers, legendary stock investor who used to be a partner with Mr. George Soros in the Quantum Fund, boldly predicted that North Korea will be the next China, and he will be willing to invest most of his wealth to the future of North Korea as a next destination of his investment. He has not put his money where his mouth is, but we will examine the question if North Korea will be indeed the next China. And as a sample subject of South Korea's globalization, we are going to examine whether there will be days when South Korean government will legalize the same-sex marriage as the US government did. We are going to explore this question about the LGBTQ's political representation in South Korean society. I like to frame the question this way. All Koreans are created equal, but some Koreans are more equal than others, and some minorities in South Korean societies are so powerless that they do not have political resources or representation to actually prove to the rest of the society that they are indeed powerless to advance their causes. In sum, this course provides a wide range of topics and subjects that might be of interest to you. If you know something about everything related to the Korean Peninsula, or if you want to master everything about something related to the Korean Peninsula dynamics, then I would strongly recommend this course. Not because I'm going to teach this course. I'll be looking forward to seeing you at Yonsei University this winter. Bye-bye.